if it's working now. Man, how do I know if this is working? I have an SMT. We should probably go down. Oh, does it show now? Oh, does it show now? I think it does. All right, nice. So I didn't stream my first trade because the stream wasn't working for some reason, but I still recorded, so I'll post it later. So the idea was we had the CPI candle. We came back down. We started going up slowly. But if you see there's no SMT, there's no like liquidity targeted below here. I guess this one, but I would still didn't count that one because there's no SMT. I was expecting we go for this low still. So my idea was as soon as we start had some type of displacement right here, we also inverted this fair value gap, we invert this, and we formed a new one. We formed this one. My idea, okay, let's enter. Because if you want to go up, we usually go for a low, we form some type of SMT, and then we go up. So the entry was here on the fair value gap. My stop was right above it, and the target was a low, but I had half of the position to sell on this low. And since we were so close to market open, I didn't want to be in that trade for too long. So I got in, I sold. We entered with 10 contracts, 10 micros. I sold 7 here. I moved my stop loss to break even. Then we just got stopped out, as you can see. So that was the first trade for today. Now we just wait and see. But I'm usually not a big fan of trading like CPI days. I don't know why. It's just the only thing I usually like is if we reverse, but since we don't have like any SMT down here, I'm not that interested. Because sometimes we have really good trades when we inverse and we go for like the high of the news. So um, I don't even know if chat is working. Let me test it. What is going on with the like, bro? I'm telling you, Streamlabs sucks, bro. And because of that, now I just don't know how to work with this, and I can like I don't even know how I work with the chat. Like I don't even know how I okay. I think it's fine now. I'm not expecting like crazy things today. Just not a fan of price action right now. So we are inside this 4 hour. Do we took out the low on the yes or the high? I mean, no. Well, I guess we have this SMT here, which I'm not paying it too much attention right now. Um, I'm kind of like just chilling and waiting on the 1 hour, same fair value gap. The idea of going down makes sense just because we already made um, could be we took out last week's high. We still haven't took out this high here actually. We took out last week's high. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we went up. This is like the weekly profile. If you ever study it together with the power of three, so we had an expansion. That's like the manipulation. Then we go down. But at the same time, we kind of had like since Monday. So Monday we came down. Monday was the 7th, right? Yes, Monday we came down. Then we expanded on the last 2 days. So I would not be surprised if we kind of just stay around here. Um, One of my strategies that I really like is the 15 minutes fair value gap with a 1 minute breaker. So let's see if we have one. For us to be a breaker, we would have to close below these two candles, and then we would enter um, like I would say this, and then I don't know the end of it. But the higher time frame still says that we're going higher, so we'll see. Now it's just gonna take time. Let me mark this week. This is which one? um, we don't need this big. Kind of like here. So let's see. Probably we're gonna wait till 10. So if we actually make a new high, our breaker, it's not this one anymore, and it becomes these three red candles. If we make a new high, if not, that will be our breaker. Still not interested, but I would not. I would expect we took some kind of low, one of them, and then we start going back up if we're gonna do that. ES looks the weaker right now. Ó, Diego. All right, let's see if we start going down here. All right. So here we have our breaker. Let's see. 5 seconds. Let's see if we can get an entry. Yes, took out the low, not yet, which is good. Oh, NQ took out the low now. Damn. Well, if already took out the low, I'm not that interested. See, this was exactly what I was talking about when we entered. So we took out this high and then we came lower. That's why we played that entry safe and move it to break even. We just didn't got a good entry here. Mm-mm. A good entry here would be always above the 50% mark. So at least on discount. It's not, if not, it's just not worth it. It's too big of a stop loss. That's why I'm not that interested. Mm, 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 mm. We took out that previous low. All right, now we did. Okay. Let's see. 58.13. We didn't. Wow. I wouldn't be surprised if we start go up. We start to go up. The target are these highs from the CPI. Um, if we break all of this zone here, that would be a simple case of the power of three. So we would have accumulation. This is the manipulation. Then we have the expansion. That's what it would be. But we still don't have any type of confirmation, so we can just wait. This looks fairly bullish. We also have this inversion now. I just don't want to mess up too much the chart. So inside of 4-hour fair value gap, we took out the low, inversion fair value gap. This looks like a simple case of power 3. So a good entry would be, I guess, inside, even inside of the fair value gap. So let me remove this. So now you have this fair value gap right here, right? Um, I'm not a big fan of like really big stop losses. But now we're just gaining momentum. So it's really tough that comes here. It could be, but that's what I would enter if we start coming back down slowly. Or even the ES. Let's see if the ES has a good entry. Um, I already took out the high. Let's see. I'll enter with half. I'm gonna enter with half position. See if we can get a decent entry. I wouldn't even play all of this. I would like play, let's see, 50%. Where is the 50%? So it's right here. Hmm. I'll play like all this zone inside the 15-minute again. But yeah, if you get an entry, you get an entry. If not, it's completely fine as well. Oh, my bad. It's because of my phone. I opened my phone.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. We're in. All right, let's move. Stop loss here. Let's play it 2-1. I would be happy with it 2-1. Something around here. That's what I would like to play. I'll sell like 3 or 4. Above this high, I'll move my stop loss to break even. And that's it. So let's see if we can sell 3. Let me just, let's mark it. Might even sell like two. Let's sell one. Worst case scenario, we'll make some money if we can get there. Not liking the SMT, so I'm just gonna move my stop. I thought we were gonna get some explosion here. I guess not. Let's do this.
Order filled.
All right, we got nothing. That is unfortunate. I moved my stop loss because I didn't like this. We didn't took out this high, and things are not looking just like I wanted to. So I'll just play it safe. But I would not expect like crazy crazy things happening right now. It's just I don't know. I was never a fan of CPI days. I feel like there's the news and or do we invert it right after and go back up or it's just gonna be a slugfest. We're probably still going higher, but I'm just not interested. Yeah, now we should be fine. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Back. Sorry. So since we broke that, the stop loss would move to break even. Um, and then we'd have play like we waited again. If we start going lower and we break this, then I wouldn't want to be here. So I would be very careful. It's just like CPI days. I'm not a fan at all. Yeah, it would have been stopped out. Now we're just chopping around. So my idea now is if we just keep doing this here, we'll eventually we're gonna take out some type of low, like for example this low, or even this one, and then we go back up, and the target will be the CPI high. Um, if we break, let me see, we might have took out this low actually, and now we're start going higher. But if we break this, then yeah, well, I would just expect for us to come back down all the way. So if fire is just a power of 3 play, will be like this. This would be the power of 3, accumulation, manipulation, then the expansion. Price action is just not great. It won't be great until the elections. Only after elections things should get better. But yeah, we might just start going up now. We took out the low here, this internal low. So now I would not be surprised if we just come back here. So a good entry would be something like this. Just too big of a stop loss. Not a fan. Not a big fan of it. Maybe if we make a fair value gap here. Might be interesting. This entry right here might be quite interesting. It's just a really big stop loss, which I'm not a fan of. I'll enter with like 5. Yeah, I'll enter with 5.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. Our stop loss. So we are target. And yeah. I would sell a half as soon as one if he gets there first. Remember, we still have the September 23rd high to take out. Still haven't took it. All right, let's see if we get some momentum right here. Price is just too sluggish. This is really tough to trade. Let's let's hope we get some momentum back here. How much is this stop? Mm, 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 mm. What is happening? It says that my stream is bugged. What? Let's see. Is it bugging out? It looks fine. All right, let's see. I don't like that. Yes, it's kind of slowly walking. Not a fan at all. And now we have like an SMT. Not a fan, not a fan. Let's see if we get some momentum back up. Right back. All right, I'm back. Mm. Things are just too slow for me. I don't like when price does this. Just not a fan, not a fan. Let's see how is our 15-minute. If we already inverted or not. We didn't. Okay. Okay. So we took out both of these lows. Guess now we wait. All right. Idea is still valid. Oh, papi. Probably gonna get stopped out here. Let's see our 15-minute again. Not this one. Yeah. Okay, we close the gap. Hmm. We might get stopped out and go back up. I wouldn't be surprised. Olá, Diego. Ó, Diego. Ó, Diego, mete um like no stream, pá. Let's see if we go back here or not. Or we're just gonna get stopped out. Let's see. Let's see if we gain some momentum. If we gain some momentum now, then yeah, probably our idea is right. We're going for the high. It's just gonna probably take a while. Let's see if we can invert this back. Just think about it. All the shorts from the CPI plus people that are just shorting because of the last 2 days. If we go up, they're gonna get smoked again. It's like the third time this week if they do get it. So our first entry was still better than this one for sure. Um, I'm just kind of surprised we didn't get the this sweep of the low here. All right, I like this. Very nice, very nice. Let's see if we can now some momentum. At least our first target, of course. Papi. NQ is stronger now, which is really nice. It's great for us. Well, I guess we can save some money now because if we go below this low, then we're out. It doesn't matter. It can save us 20 bucks. Let's see how is tech doing. How is tech doing right now? All right, so the SPY and the Qs have a gap to close. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So we have a gap to fill still. Where is the gap? 431 is the gap. So let's put this on the gap. So if you change to regular trading hours, you can see it here. See we have a gap. Can remove all of this. You have this gap to fill. So this will be our first target. That's what would be. Um, let's see, tech. NVIDIA is chilling here, not doing much. Tesla is doing all right-ish. It's actually on a downtrend right now, which is not great. Amazon, kinda. Apple has also a gap to fill. Damn, I was expecting some more momentum right here. Unfortunate. We might just go down now. Really sluggish price action. Really tough to trade this. Now it might actually start going down.
Order filled.
There we go. Yeah, we got stopped out. Wait, what? Okay, what is that? So now we took out this internal low. Now we just wait to see what price does. There is no freaking shot that we move our stop loss just to stop us out. That would be amazing. But I wouldn't be surprised. There we go. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about. Let's see now if we actually take out this low. This is a low I was interesting at the earlier today. I'm just not interested in shorts just because we don't get any speed. We fall a bit and then we just come back up. If we take out that low and we start going up, then I'll be interested in getting in. For now, if he wants to get in, just if he wants to go up, just go. It's fine. You have anything here? Yeah, that 5 minute. Okay. You have a really tiny 5 minute fair value gap there, which is whatever. We might go up here. It's actually pretty possible. It's just again, there's not a like a decent entry, bro. It's really tough when there's not a decent entry. For me to switch my bias to short, we would need to take out some sort of liquidity, like that one on top. I really might enter here.
Order
I might
filled.
just enter here. I'll move my stop. So it would be this. It's a 31s again. Let's sell like 3 here. Our best trade so far is still the one earlier before market open, right before it. Same idea again. We took out this internal low. We don't need to play this big of a stop loss right away. If we have a red candle that closes below this week, I'll be out. Mm. Did we close above? Not yet. Okay. This is probably me getting out. Hmm. Same idea. It's just different entry. This market is so sluggish. Super, super sluggish. Mhm. Let's see if we get some momentum. If we don't, I'm just gonna be out and be back later at the end of the day. I might just sell everything at the gap. We'll see. The idea is still up there. So 470s, that's the CPI high. See what we can get. Again, so far the idea looks right. The D entry is just a little bit rough. All right, this is what I like to see. Let's see if we can get there. It was 431, correct? Let's see again. NQ 431.50. Let's just put 431 even. Let me check again. Oh, it's actually 458 if we go for market close, just the hour after we close at 430 something. I like it again. Um, I might sell two here actually. My stop loss. I don't want this to go down. This would be our breakaway gap right here. Or now I have this also this fair value gap. So or you can just fill it. Let's see. Great. This is exactly what I want to see. We keep respecting it. It's just a big wick. Does all the damage. And yeah, and that's it. So far, quite like it. See, right now, we actually have an SMT, right? So the NQ made a high, but the S didn't. The thing is, earlier, when it was right here, we also had an SMT. So the idea, if we had an SMT here, we should start fall. And we fell. We just came right back up. So what that means that we're probably still have more to go up. So the most sense now would be, all right, let's go back up, attack whatever liquidity we have to attack, and then maybe we think about it shorts. For now, there's a reason why we start to fail. We came back up, we start to fail again, even still, and we completely missed one more time. So, I mean, there is a reason for that. All right, I like it. Let's put this at 430. Anything below 394 right now is just um, Markets are completely out of sync. Let me just sell
Order
two.
filled.
And I'll sell the rest there. I'm just gonna sell the rest. It's just price action that I do not want to play. So at all. See again. We might just stick out this low, come back up. It's just not helping you. And it is great when you try to preserve your mental capital as well. But I would say, yeah, the target for the day is definitely the CPI high. Let's see. Again, see? We swept the low. Let's see what happens now. I'm telling you, until elections, price is just gonna behave like this. There's a lot of manipulation going on, trying to scare people away. It's really, really tough to trade. Um, I don't even want to see it below there. I guess I'll leave it right here. Again, breakaway gap. I don't want to see it filled. We keep respecting this one. Wicks doing the damage. Again, if you actually see, where is it? Uh, no, we don't have an SMT, never mind. Again, it's just driving like everyone crazy, especially retail traders or people that get scared away really easily. This is a type of candle that scares people. Even me sometimes, and just not. There's still a reason we haven't come back down like 3 or 4 times. All right, we're
Order
gonna get
filled.
subbed out. There we go. Now I'm not interested in getting in or getting out. It's just really tough price action. Now I wouldn't be surprised if we actually go down since we start go down, then we stopped everyone out now. So I would say up here at least. So good entry. I would say something like this would be a decent trade. If not, we'll just wait. So down, up, we try back up again. We manipulate everyone. We should start go down a little bit more again. See, look at these all these weeks and stuff. This is just not good price action. The best is just not trade it or just reduce your size. So I've been playing with 5 micros. All right, ES took out that low. By the way, ES took that. Um, I don't know if I would enter here. Would I? It just looks really weak. I might enter one more time if we can get an entry. Uh, not a yeah, stop loss
Order
right there.
filled.
Um, take profit. I would just go for this low. Below this low, I would put my stop loss at a break even. But we might just get stopped out and we're trading on this range and we're gonna keep trading on this range. We'll see. Markets are just completely out of sync. So that would be our breakaway gap. 360. ES might go for the low, actually. It just looks really, really weak, the ES. I might go for the low one more time. And Q is just painful to watch. And this is probably my timeout. Really don't like this. Really not a fan. I wanted to see us go down now, like smash this low at least. Oh, it looks, yeah, it was the low here. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out for sure. For sure, gonna get stopped out.
Order filled.
Really, really tough price action. Again, CPI days are just god awful. Really bad, really bad. And the ID is still the same, it's the 470s. Yeah, we fill that gap, that's for sure. All right, back. All right, back. Still fairly bullish. I just don't see us like go down. Let's enter again. So we respected it. Let's wait for some type of SMT. Right now we have one actually. We have um, this one with this one. But I would still wait a little bit more. This could be our breaker actually. We could enter here if we start get some momentum. Right back. Okay. Still going down. Yeah, I am still fairly like confident that we'll eventually go up. We might go first for this really small fair value gap right here. Oh, or take out one of these lows. So All right, let's see what we do here. If we actually can get into this breaker. So win some strength here. If we got some strength, I'll get in on this breaker. If we close above it, I won't enter on this fair value gap just because of yesterday. Yesterday we had the exact same play, but it only touched the breaker and left this breakaway gap open for like 6 points. I guess we survive it. And I will be going for the daily gap, which is 20,430. Okay, fair value gap filled. I like it. Let's see what we do next. As soon as we close above, I'll be looking for to get in. Okay, there we go.
Order
Enter
filled.
10. This is a play that I like to see. I will say half. Let me close this. I'll leave it right there. I want to see that below. And the second one is the gap. It's the 30s. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see what we do now. As soon as he go for the high, stop loss at break even, usual. People went short like 1, 2, 3 times at least. I'll even sell 5 right here on this high. Play it safe, take some profits. Is he going for it? God damn it. Still fairly confident. Come on. Gotta put a magnet or something. Or a bone. Just like a bone. Here, he's the bone. for the dog. Come on. It's just like my dog wants the bone. Guess he doesn't want the bone. Gosh dang it. All right, I'm gonna sell 5.
Order
Take
filled.
some profits. I'll just, the second one, I'll just leave it at the gap. Um, and still the ultimate high would be 471. I'll sell it at the gap. And I'll be quite happy with it. All right, this price action is not it. Holy moly. Oh, there we go. We went for the bone. Let's go. I'm not gonna get greedy. Just take out the high and I'll be happy with it. Just kidding. Come on, give us that. 430. No biggie. No biggie. This is the last trade for today for sure. I don't want to see us. Are still fine. Should be still fine. How easy? Yes, in terms of the gap. Oh, so yes, actually closed the gap earlier. That is something. See, look. Yes, actually closed the gap, but not in Q. Wow. Um, all right. If we close below this, I'm out, and I don't care. No, I'll just take my profits. And I'm probably gonna be out again. Let's see what the candle does. Okay, wicks, it's fine. If it closes below the body of this candle, then I don't care. And I'm out. If not, we're still in for the treat. And I'll play the high. Not interested in getting greedy. Again, we're just chopping, 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 chopping. So no high, no high to take. Unlucky. Should I put out the bone again? Here, here's the bone. Come on, go for the bone. Right there. Let him
Order
put.
filled.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, I'm done for today. See, we're now probably going for the gap. The ultimate like target for today would be the CPI high at 470. It's just this price action is really tough to trade. We probably already passed the worst part, which was all this accumulation right here. So we're probably going up. I just don't care. I'm just gonna play it safe. So GG guys. Have a rest of a good day. Bye bye.